Do you want to know how you can mute or unmute someone's threads on your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can mute and unmute someone's threads. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Let's suppose I want to mute this user. I will go ahead and tap on his profile. I will click on the three lines which you can see on the top right hand corner. You can see mute, click on mute, and you can click on mute post. Now you might notice that this person's post has been muted. So guys, go ahead and click on profile which you want to mute. Click on their profile again, click mute, and then click mute post. This way you can mute the user's post. Now to unmute it, go ahead and go to the user's page again, click on the three lines, go ahead, click unmute and click on mute posts. This way you can mute or unmute someone's threads in your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.